To add a link to a website or web resource, you'll open the section where you want the link to appear and click the Add an Activity or Resource link. Next, you'll choose from this list URL. Notice that the options are alphabetized, so URL will come at the bottom. I recommend you actually star this choice because it will come up on your palette in Moodle of most frequently added resources. So it will make it easy for you to add URLs, and that's something that we tend to add a lot of. So you'll find URL and click it. And there are only two elements that you need to fill in on this dialog box or in this menu. First is the name of the resource, and second is the actual link. You know things are required in Moodle when you see these red exclamation points. I suggest that you actually open the web page that you want to link to first. And that way you can just click on that tab, have it open in a tab, and then you're going to click on the URL to select it, and then you can either right-click on it to copy it or use Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac. Then go back over to the tab that says Editing URL and click down in the external URL field and paste the URL. You can use Control-V or Command-V, and in some browsers you can right-click. Then you'll add a name for the link. Sometimes I like to actually add in a notice of what this is. So I might put in chart or web page : world values chart. That way the student knows what they're clicking on. Also, I sometimes write the name as directions. So I might write, click here to view the world values chart. Then I'll scroll down and click Save and Return to Course. There is an area here, a box, where you can add a description if you like. And you can see now, here is my link, and I can click and drag it anywhere that I like in my course. And then once again, I like to move things right to indent them slightly. And there is the link, and you can test it just by clicking on it. And you'll see it opens in a new tab, so you can return to the course.